Alright, what's up everybody? So today we're just going to be learning a quick and easy way to carry around wood that saves time, saves energy, and saves your back. All you're going to need for this project is a fairly large dowel or some wooden sticks you can get from the forest. You're going to need a saw of some kind, a knife of some kind, some rope, and a lighter. As always, check the links in the description below. I've got links to all the supplies you need for this project. Once you have all your supplies, you can get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your dowel in half, or you just get two equal-sized sticks. Alright, so once you got two sticks that are fairly equal in size, you're going to cut a couple lengths of rope. This does not have to be exact, probably about 3 feet in length. And then you're going to want to burn the ends so that they don't fray. Alright, once you got the 2 lengths of rope, you're going to take one of your sticks and you're going to tie the rope to your stick probably about 1.5 inches from the end. Do the same thing on the other side. So on the other stick, you're going to tie it about 3 inches from the end. Alright, so this is what you should have. You should have 2 sticks, one with the rope tied about 3 inches from the end, the other with the rope tied about 1.5 inches from the end, and now you're pretty much ready to go. So let's see how this is actually used. Simply take the stick where you tied it 3 inches from the end, and then you put it on the inside of the rope that's tied 1.5 inches from the end. And you can see that the rope grabs the end of the stick here and here, so it acts as a handle and it cinches down on whatever you're carrying. So unfortunately, I don't have any firewood around here, but I'm going to use a cinder block. So as you can see, now you've got a nice handle and it's grabbing the wood very firmly, and you can carry this around with one hand. Much easier than trying to gather the wood in your arms, much easier than wandering around trying to find a way to carry it all. So hey, if you like this project, like, comment, subscribe. Got tons of other weird and crazy ideas on my channel, check that out. Otherwise, have a great day.